Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting up close and personal with a legend, the 2024 Mercedes AMG G63. This isn't your average SUV, it's a powerhouse that combines brutal off-road capability with luxurious comfort. The G63 boasts a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, churning out a whopping 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to a heart-pounding 4.5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The G63 features the innovative AMG SpeedShift TCT9G transmission, delivering smooth and responsive gear changes, whether you're conquering city streets or crawling over rocks. Step inside the G63, and you're greeted by a world of opulence. Premium leather upholstery, a luxurious synthetic suede headliner, and the latest box infotainment system with a massive touchscreen create an undeniably sophisticated atmosphere. Interior: the G63 isn't afraid to get dirty. With its advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, adjustable suspension, and rugged design elements, it's at home exploring unbeaten paths. Of course, power and luxury are nothing without safety. The G63 comes packed with the latest driver assistance features, including surround view cameras, blind spot monitoring, and active braking. The 2024 Mercedes AMG G63 is a true icon. It's a statement piece that delivers unparalleled performance, luxurious comfort, and undeniable off-road capability. Whether you're a city dweller with an adventurous spirit or a weekend warrior seeking the ultimate off-road companion, the G63 is a force to be reckoned with. So, if you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, the 2024 Mercedes AMG G63 might just be your perfect match. Thanks for joining us on this ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the 2024 G63. Would you take it on a luxurious road trip or an off-road adventure?